If you don't know the difference between a hot and a cold wallet, it's like basically putting your hand on the stove and burning yourself on purpose. And in this video, I'm going to explain the difference, okay, of why you need cold storage. Okay, I've taught hundreds of thousands of people about cold storage wallets. And in this video, we're going to break down why you need to order a ledger literally here tonight. So let's talk simple. Let's talk practical. A hot wallet connected to the internet at 24/7, 24 hours a day. And the other one is not connected at all. So what do you need? Well, you can use both, but hot is like fire. And you don't want to burn yourself on that stove. You're only going to use the fire to cook some food. You're only going to use the hot wallet for certain interactions. Now, cold is ice. You ever get injured? You're at the gym or playing a sport, you immediately go put an ice pack on it, right? It's kind of soothing. Having your money in a cold storage is soothing because you can go to sleep at night. So what's a hot wallet? Okay, it's an app on your phone or computer that stays connected to the internet. Now, I'm going to advise you, not as your financial advisor, but as your friend, and hopefully you're subscribed to this channel, that you do not put these wallets on your phone, because you are more receptive to clicking a link by accident, and a hacker can take custody of that wallet. So things like MetaMask, right? It's really mainly used for Ethereum and Polygon blockchains. Phantom is really for Solana, which now also has Ethereum and other blockchains on there. Jupiter is mainly Solana trading and holding Solana tokens. But remember, these are connected to the internet. So here's the trade-off, okay? The upside is they're fast, they're convenient, they'll give you good pricing, but the downside is they're still connected online. So if somebody gets access to your wallet, you're in trouble, okay? Now, convenient for daily use, but is it safe enough for your life savings? Absolutely not. Now, a cold wallet is a physical device. Maybe you've heard of a Trezor or a Ledger, where you can go and ledger.com and buy one right now. Now, a Nano X is fine, okay? Because I always say, if you have more money than $100 in crypto, you need a ledger ASAP today. Nano X is fine, the Bluetooth and all that stuff. Now, why would you not buy this from Best Buy or a store? Is because what happens is people go to the store, they get the device at their house, they write down the words, they return it and say it doesn't work, there's malware, whatever. And then now they have the seed phrase, remember those seed phrase? For that ledger, you upload your life savings or you start uploading money, they can see that on their end, and now they take all your crypto. So please make sure you buy directly from ledger.com and nowhere else, and this is not a paid sponsorship. So if you buy a ledger, okay, when you buy your ledger, you're going to move your crypto there through an application called Ledger Live, okay? Now, with a cold wallet, the upside is you can go to sleep at night. It's hacked proof. Not one ledger has ever been hacked. The downside is it costs $100. There's no downside. There's no downside. And you can think of it like an offline USB drive, okay? It's unplugged, it's in a drawer. Nothing online can reach it. It requires signatures on the actual device to move the funds off of. And also, you're never going to connect your ledger to any other website. So very, very important there, okay? Now, neither one is better, but one is safer, and that's a ledger, because they solve two different problems. It's like a checking account versus a safety deposit box. Spending money stays handy. Long-term savings stays locked away. And kind of how you're going to split it is you're going to use your hot wallets for maybe trading, maybe swapping, but you're not just going to leave money there. Everything else is going to be sitting in your ledger held offline. And the myth is like, oh, cold wallets or ledgers are for rich people or whales. That's not true. The fact is anyone can use it. It's small, it's affordable, and it's open to the public. Take advantage and move your crypto there. So yeah, hot is convenient, cold is secure. Use both, but get a ledger. And as you start to really grow your wealth in crypto, I have multiple ledgers for multiple different things, and all my students know how I split them up. So here's a quick recap. Hot wallets, you're using it really to trade crypto. Cold wallets, that's for long-term safety, and you can go to sleep tonight. And most people, you're going to use both. So let's head over to lesson number 8. How do you keep the crypto safe? This is going to be a big one. Understanding security and how to avoid these common scams. Because the moment you start to get in crypto, there's people on the other side that want to get it from you. In lesson 8, I'm going to explain how do you protect yourself at all times. See you in the next video.